These are the newly modernized main elevator set of 2 elevators at Hillman Library, University of Pittsburgh, Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were originally Westinghouse from 1965. They were then modernized by Otis in 2004, but now the library has been completely renovated as a several-year, several-phase plan. And now Schindler has modernized them with 6400 Mad BS Classic. There's a service car over there which still has the Otis mod. It's not running. I don't know if they started modernizing that one or if that's just not running for some reason. They also installed an Schindler 3300 XL over there, which entered service in April. These were modded over the summer. They did both of them at the same time. Ground is locked because that's still under construction, so we're just going up the 4. Here we go up. Install a card reader in here now too. These are 350 feet a minute. These are faster and more efficient than the XL. That one's only 200 feet a minute.
Floor 4.
Here at 4. These are 6100. I can confirm these do have belt cables. Yeah, ground is still locked under construction. We'll go back on the 1. Ground will be open eventually when the renovation that's finished. It's a basic stainless steel cab. I had a suspicion they were going to do a stainless steel cab because that's what the XL has. Have that kind of lighting there.
Floor 1.
Go back on 1. Yeah, these are very busy. This took several attempts. Yeah, they just finished modernizing these. Alright, this one goes and that's going to be it. I'm doing that one because there's someone that one.